Are you ready for the ultimate college experience? Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey filled with endless possibilities. We know you have many questions swirling in your mind right now, from fitting all your stuff in your room to finding the best parties on campus. But let's focus on what truly matters, the key to your success in college: time management. In college, time is your most valuable asset. With this in mind, we have created a valuable guide that will transform your college experience. Inside these pages, you'll find tips and tricks to help you schedule your time effectively, conquer procrastination, eliminate distractions, and strike a balance between your studies and personal life. Stress management is also a crucial aspect of college life, and we've got you covered with valuable techniques to minimize stress and truly enjoy every moment. Whether you're a fresh-faced 18-year-old straight out of high school, a senior about to graduate, or someone returning to classes after a long hiatus, these tips apply to everyone. Moreover, they will continue to serve you well beyond college, as effective time management skills are essential in every aspect of life. Imagine having more time for yourself, pursuing your passions, and still excelling academically. It's possible, and we can show you how. Our guide will help you navigate through the challenges of college, ensuring that you don't sacrifice the real reason you're here, for an education. Setting goals is the first step to success. By identifying your goals and breaking them down into manageable pieces, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow. We'll guide you through this process, helping you stay focused on the prize while enjoying the journey. Remember, it's not just about reaching your destination. It's about finding joy in the process and making the most of every moment. To make the most of your time, it's crucial to understand where it goes. Our guide will introduce you to time tracking, a powerful tool that will shed light on your habits and enable you to make adjustments for better productivity. By logging your activities and analyzing the patterns, you'll gain valuable insights into your time usage, allowing you to take control and make the most of the 168 hours available to you each week. Your planner will become your best friend throughout this journey. It will help you stay organized, ensuring that you know what needs to be accomplished and when. We'll show you how to effectively use a planner, from recording your class schedule and assignments to tracking social events and personal goals. With a well-organized planner, you'll have a clear overview of your commitments and be able to manage your time with ease. Remember, your goals are within reach, and time is on your side. By implementing the strategies and techniques outlined in our guide, you'll become a master of time management. Say goodbye to stress and hello to a fulfilling college experience. Don't let unrealistic goals or an overwhelming workload hinder your progress. With our guidance, you'll achieve academic excellence while still enjoying the vibrant college life. Take the first step towards maximizing your college experience. Grab a copy of our valuable guide and unlock the secrets to effective time management. Embrace the freedom, embrace the knowledge, and embrace the best years of your life. You deserve it all, and we're here to help you make it happen. Welcome to college. Let's make every moment count. Full article, and more other useful info, is absolutely free in the comments. Also, Don't forget to subscribe so as not to miss even more free materials.